You're building a Wix website, and now you need settings. You need settings for your Wix website. I know you want to hop into all of the flashy stuff and add the pictures and things like that, but this is the most important part of building your website, and I'm going to show you why it's so important right here, right now. Let's go. Alright, boom. So this is the template that we chose from before. Now it'd be tempting to go ahead and just start to click around in here and move things around, which that will be the first thing you would do as a person who is new to building a website. But before you get to that, this is the most important part that a lot of new website builders overlook. You want to click over here. We're in Wix Studio. You want to click over here to the dashboard and hit that dashboard, right? And this is essentially what we're doing, is setting up the foundation of your whole website, the foundation of your whole brand, the foundation of your whole business. That's what we want to do before we get to the flashy part. So with that being said, we're going to go straight to settings. Settings right here, settings, right? And you can pretty much just go through these settings and set them up as what fits for your website. So we're going to I'm tempted to break this down into individual ones, but we will just go ahead and we'll just go ahead and rock through it, right? So first thing you want to do is go ahead and hit the subscription settings. Like if you have a subscription, well, I'll just explain what they are. If you have a subscription-based website where you have people paying monthly to be a part of your website, have a membership to your website, you want to have that subscription settings set up. Business info, very, very important. This is one of the first things you want to do as far as for your website. So let's just call this my dream website. Like, let's say that's the name of my business, right? It's a local business. You want to insert your description for your business here. Boom. If you have a logo or avatar or things like that, you want to go ahead and insert that here, right? If you have an address, you put your address. 900 your way, right? Of course, it's trying to pick something, so we'll pick one of these addresses. Las Vegas, right? And it pops up on the map. Email address, info at your email.com, right? Boom. Just like that. If you have a phone number, go ahead and put your phone number in. I'm just hitting up some random numbers. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. Again, if you have an image, you can go ahead and upload an image, or you can add an image. We don't have any files, so I don't want to get this too complicated, but you can go ahead and add an image from your from your computer, or you can create one, right? But I'm not going to go into that right now. So essentially, you're just entering your business information right here. Now, why this is important? Because when it comes up to when people Google you, when people look up your address, when your website emails you, all of these different things, these interactions that your website is going to do for you as far as business-wise, it's a lot of the back-end stuff that you really don't notice until you set it up. So this is essentially setting up that back-end so the website knows and identifies your brand associated with your website, associated with your email, phone number, address, so on and so forth. So it'll be all consistent when you go on, SEO, when you get into SEO and other things that pertain to your website. So once you're done with that, go ahead and hit save. And that's how you save the settings, just like that. So that's the business settings. All right, so boom, there it is. You got to see exactly how you put your business info inside of your settings. So with that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, or comment to this video. Let us know what you think. But also stay tuned to the next video where we go over another set of settings for our next video. So with that being said, see you in the next video. Let's go.